Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Tiago. We'll explore their fundamental differences and intended uses. Understanding each product's core purpose is key to deciding which one is right for you. We'll look at what makes Excel a leader in data management and how the Tiago excels as a practical vehicle. This comparison will highlight their unique strengths, guiding your decision based on your requirements. Excel is an indispensable tool for anyone working with numbers and data. It allows you to perform intricate calculations, manage budgets, and track projects with precision. You can easily visualize trends using its robust charting features, transforming raw data into understandable insights. From simple lists to advanced financial models, Excel provides the flexibility and power needed for diverse analytical tasks, making data management straightforward. The Tata Tiago is engineered for practical, everyday transportation, especially in urban environments. Its compact dimensions make it agile in traffic and simple to park in tight spots. Drivers appreciate its fuel efficiency, which helps reduce running costs for daily commutes. With a focus on comfort and essential safety features, the Tiago provides a reliable and economical option for individuals and small families seeking a dependable car. Ultimately, deciding which is better depends entirely on your objective. If your goal involves organizing information, performing calculations, or analyzing trends, Excel is your clear choice. However, if you need a reliable and economical way to travel from point A to point B, particularly within a city, the Tata Tiago is the superior option. They are designed for completely different applications, so consider your requirements carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.